So my name's Lee Sawyer. I'm a professor of physics here at Louisiana Tech. I've been at Tech since March of 1997. What inspires me to keep working in particle physics is really just curiosity, right? I've always wanted to understand nature and how things work, and we still have things we don't know that we want to discover. The status of my research today is that we are finishing the third run of the Large Hadron Collider, and the experiment that I'm on there, Louisiana Tech is on, called Atlas. We'll be taking data all of this year and into next year, after which there'll be a shutdown for upgrades. I think my involvement in particle physics is a draw for students, as a recruitment tool. Students come to Louisiana Tech, they've heard about particle physics, whether it's from the Big Bang Theory or from sci-fi movies, and so they want to get involved, and we've had a lot of undergraduates work with us. For graduate students, it allows them to be involved in some of the largest and most advanced collaborations on Earth and learn skills that they can take into any area of science. So I believe receiving their Leading Edge Award is a recognition of what I've tried to do here at Louisiana Tech, leading the high energy physics group. I've wanted Louisiana Tech to be a player right there at the same level of the MITs and the Stanfords of the world, and we are. We're involved in a collaboration at the CERN laboratory in Geneva that involves scientists from Australia to Japan to France, and Louisiana Tech is right there working as an equal among them.